Yesterday, we got to walk through the city of Trier in Germany. So, I wanted to give you a little brief walkthrough of what it looks like traveling Europe with my family. And that way, if you're thinking about doing it yourself, you can get a little glimpse of what it looks like. We've got gelato in there, we've got some playgrounds that we found, a cool lunch spot. So, I hope you enjoy. Peace. Jordan, where are we today?
I think we're at Trier.
Oh, okay. Are you enjoying it?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, because there's a waterfall.
Ooh, oh, you mean a fountain?
Dad, as I go up
Let's walk to the front of this baby. No way. Come on.
A ducky!
This would legit be a maze if we were mini-size.
Would
It would
be.
be like
Let's keep moving.
a cat picture. Like, where are these guys doing?
Hey, step on my shit.
Looks like here's some leftover rocks they had. Does anyone want on Monday?
I know sometimes church could be on Wednesday.
Like it says,
Doesn't really matter
Yeah, you're right.
like,
to some people.
no banana idols. No banana idols.
Yep. Hearing it now, though. Have you guys ever seen Mickey sticking his tongue out? Oh, look at these. Everyone come over.
Are these paper? I think it's a rat.
Nice. We do have to get some souvenirs. Don't forget that.
Have to get a souvenir.
Yeah, they're cooking in there. Oh, nice. It's like a natural grocery store. It's like a natural grocery store. You can go in there if you want, Mama. Left on the way back. Shoes. We definitely need to find something unique to us so we can get it.
Not just like cup or something.
Ooh, Jack and Jones. I like that store. Dad has some stuff from there.
Or something.
We're heading to the food right now, man. We're almost there. Let me look at my phone and I'll tell you how far we are. Two more minutes of walking, people.
Baba sen o zaman burada kendin gez, ben seni oynayacağım.
Oh, baby, look at that old building. Did you guys see it? See if I can tell you what it is. The Cathedral of Trier.
You want to do that now or on the way back?
No, let's go get food. Straight. We're going straight. When we pass the Revy, we're very close. Because I need some food and maybe some lemonade. Julian. Yeah, man.
Are we 1 minute away?
Yeah. Right down this street. Yes. Whoa, what is that old thing in front of us? Oh, I found some gelato. Look to the right. Yeah, baby. Now I know we're in the right spot. Whoa, what is that? Henry Willis. Oh, it's cheese. They're cheeses. Ooh, this one's looking better than the last one, in my opinion. When we pass the Revy, Mom, we're really close. It might be all the way kind of at the end of this on the left. Somebody's playing nice music again. Come on, Jordan. Ooh, look, Jordan jewelry over here. Jordan, that music was nice. Did you like it? Juju, did you hear that music?
Just like the man doing it like.
Uh-huh. They're playing so nice music. If you have money, you can give it to them for their nice music.
You got money?
Yeah, I've got some. We're going to get some more after we eat, and then we'll give them some on the way back, because that music was nice. Don't you think? Oh, there's Revy. We're getting super close. Whoa, is that a candy store with lollipops? Wait a second, I see glasses in there.
Chickens on the road.
No, pigeons, pigeons. Okay, let Dad look at his phone and he'll tell you where we are. Oh, it's right here on the left, Mama. Hans Gluck. No, adjacent corner. Yes.